Ran into another little problem. I pulled the windshield out of this cab and you can see how bad it's rusted. That's the only spot like it, so I cut that piece out. Went and cut another piece out of another cab. Fixing to weld it back in. I had to pull the windshield out of 3 cabs to find one that had a piece that was worth using. Every one of them was rusted up just as bad. I'll get it welded in, show you what it looks like. Got it all welded in. Had a rust spot right here and right here. Tried to cut it where you're not gonna be able to see it very good. So I cover up my ugly weld. Ought to be good now. Just get it cleaned up and painted. Got it all cleaned up. A lot better than that.
Visit ncl.com, call your travel advisor, or 1-888-NCL-CRUISE.